What if your floors could clean themselves every single day without you lifting a finger? In 2026, robot vacuum technology has reached a level that is honestly remarkable. But here's the problem. There are hundreds of options out there, and most people end up wasting hundreds of dollars on the wrong one. So today, we have done all the research for you. We are breaking down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos available on Amazon right now, carefully compared and ranked so you can make the smartest purchase possible. Whether you have pets, hardwood floors, thick carpets, or simply a busy lifestyle, one of these 5 machines is going to completely change the way you clean your home. Stay with us until the end, because our #1 pick might genuinely surprise you. And as always, all 5 products with their Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. Those are affiliate links, which means you pay the exact same Amazon price, but it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. We truly appreciate every click. Now, let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Eureka J15 Max Ultra self-emptying robot vacuum combo. Now, do not let the number 5 position fool you. This is still an incredibly capable machine, and for many households, it is all you will ever need. The Eureka J15 Max Ultra features a powerful all-in-one base station that automatically empties the dustbin after every cleaning session. That means you could go weeks without touching it yourself. It combines both vacuuming and mopping in a single pass, saving you time and effort every single day. It uses smart navigation to map your home efficiently, avoiding obstacles and covering every corner of your space. The suction power is impressive for its price range, handling both hard floors and low to medium pile carpets with ease. It's a strong choice for anyone who wants a reliable, self-emptying robot at a more accessible price point. The affiliate link for the Eureka J15 Max Ultra is in the description below. Prices on Amazon change frequently, so it's always worth checking today's deal. Moving to number 4, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Mova brand has been quietly making waves in the robot vacuum space, and the P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is a serious step up. What makes this model stand out is its second-generation intelligence. It features advanced LiDAR mapping, which means it creates a highly accurate floor plan of your home and cleans in a structured, methodical pattern. No random wandering. The mopping system uses consistent water flow control, so you get an even clean across all hard floor surfaces without overwetting sensitive areas. It also features auto-lifting of the mop pad when it detects carpet, a small detail that makes a big difference in everyday use. The self-cleaning base station handles both dustbin emptying and mop pad washing automatically, making maintenance almost entirely hands-free. The affiliate link for the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is in the description below. Click through to see the latest price and any current Amazon discounts available today. At number 3, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop with Self-Cleaning. This is where things get really impressive. The V50 Ultra Complete lives up to its name. It is one of the most comprehensive all-in-one cleaning systems Mova has produced. The base station not only empties dust and washes the mop, it also dries the mop pads using warm air, which prevents any mildew or odor buildup over time. That is a feature you will truly appreciate in the long run. The suction on the V50 Ultra is significantly stronger than entry-level models, making it excellent for homes with pets, high-traffic areas, or thick rugs. Its AI-powered obstacle detection is highly accurate. It navigates around cables, shoes, and furniture legs without getting stuck. You can control everything through a smartphone app, set room-specific cleaning schedules, and even adjust the water flow for mopping based on your floor type. For a complete, nearly maintenance-free cleaning experience, the V50 Ultra delivers. The affiliate link for the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is in the description below. It is always listed clearly. Just scroll down and tap to check today's Amazon price. Product 2. The Dreame L40S Ultra AE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Dreame is one of the most respected names in premium robot vacuum technology right now, and the L40S Ultra AE proves exactly why. The AE stands for Auto Empty, and combined with Dreame's powerful cleaning system, this machine operates at a level that genuinely feels futuristic. The L40S Ultra AE features Dreame's latest generation of floor mapping, which distinguishes between different room types and automatically adjusts cleaning intensity. It knows when it is on carpet, hardwood, or tile, and it cleans accordingly. The rotating mop pads apply consistent pressure while lifting off the surface completely when carpet is detected, meaning no wet carpet ever. Its AI obstacle avoidance uses 3D structured light technology, allowing it to detect and navigate around objects as small as cables and socks, even in low light conditions. The base station handles everything: dust collection, mop washing, drying, and water tank management, making this a truly hands-free experience. This is a machine built for people who want premium performance with virtually zero daily involvement. The Dreame L40S Ultra AE affiliate link is in the description below. Click it to see the current Amazon price and check if there are any active deals running today. And finally, our #1 pick, the Dreame L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you want the absolute best that Amazon has to offer in robot vacuum technology right now, this is it. The Dreame L50 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what a home cleaning robot can do in 2026. Starting with suction, the L50 Ultra delivers class-leading power that pulls deep embedded dirt from carpets while transitioning seamlessly to gentle hardwood cleaning mode without any manual input. The mopping system uses dual spinning mop pads that press firmly against the floor and rotate at high speed, scrubbing away stains and dried spills that standard mops simply drag over. Its AI obstacle avoidance is so advanced that it handles real-world, cluttered home environments with impressive accuracy, adapting to your home layout as it evolves over time. The all-in-one base station is a masterpiece of engineering. It automatically empties dust, washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them with warm air, refills the clean water tank, and stores dirty water separately, all without you doing a single thing. You set it up once, and then it simply works day after day. For large homes, pet owners, busy professionals, or anyone who genuinely values their time, the Dreame L50 Ultra is the single best investment you can make in home cleaning automation today. The affiliate link for the Dreame L50 Ultra is right at the top of the description below. Prices on Amazon can shift daily, so make sure you check today's price and grab it while it is in stock.
Quick comparison summary. Here is a quick summary before we wrap up. Eureka J15 Max Ultra, best budget-friendly self-emptying option. Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2, best for smart LiDAR mapping and structured cleaning. Mova V50 Ultra Complete, best for pet owners and deep carpet cleaning. Dreame L40S Ultra AE, best premium all-rounder with advanced obstacle avoidance. Dreame L50 Ultra, best overall, the most complete robot vacuum on Amazon today. Whatever your budget or cleaning needs, there is a perfect option on this list for you. And remember, all 5 affiliate links are sitting in the description below, organized by rank for easy access. That wraps up our top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2026. All 5 products are linked in the description below using Amazon affiliate links. That means the price you pay is exactly the same as going to Amazon directly, but a small commission comes back to support this channel. It costs you nothing extra, and it genuinely helps us keep making content like this. So thank you in advance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps more people discover this comparison. Subscribe to the channel if you want more honest Amazon product reviews, deal alerts, and buying guides every single week. And if you have any questions about which robot vacuum is the right fit for your home, drop it in the comments below. We read every single one, and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.